Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and today we have the Realme GT Neo6. This time they put the AI voice here, so this aspect was kind of AI functions to bring to us. And here we have the GT Neo6 Silver Edition, and it's high specification, 60GB RAM plus 1TB addition, RAM and ROM information. So next, let's unbox it and check the performance and the appearance about this device. So after we open the box, yes, first get another box package, and let's check, open it, and let's check what's inside this. The Realme. Okay, we can scan. This is a QR code. We can scan to get more information about this device, and okay, we can follow the official channels of the Realme. So here, after we open it, they provide a SIM card ejector. It's just a normal design, nothing special. And here's also the normal quick start and safety information and battery information about this device. It tells us the basic functions, the features about this device, and also to provide. Okay, I think this is a nice case. It's better than the transparent plastic one. It looks more high-end and more comfortable. This is a case. And next, yes, this is a smartphone under the first box we opened. But before we check the smartphone, we can go to the accessories first. So this is the charger. It supports super walk, and it's a this time for the GT Neo6 is powered by a 5500 mAh big battery with 120 watts super rock fast charging. As we know, for the Realme devices, it's really strong in the charging part, and before they have 240 watt fast charging devices, so we can always expect it the quick charging efficiency from this device. According to test, 10 minutes you get 50% in battery, and about stand time if you play Genshin, and around up to 1 hour, it just consumer 28% to 30% of the battery. Yes, so this is a Type-C to USB cable. So this is all the accessories and stuff inside the box. And next, let's go to today's highlight. The leading actor, the smartphone. Let's put all the other stuff inside. And next, let's get the smartphone out from it's a paper material smartphone protector. Yeah. So this is the GT Neo6. Whoa, yes. Let's carefully get out it from the protector, and whoa, it's a shining back panel and just like a mirror, and we can notice that it's the one mirror, not separate one, and it's a triple rear camera system with dual LED flashlight, and it's like two parts. One is shine for the camera zone part, the shining, but for the other part is more standard polish material, matte, not so shining, and even the frame of the device are also silver. And we'll touch it. It's really nice, very comfortable, and the combination of the metal filling material with the shining glass, it looks so contrastive, and also it looks fashion and very cool. Yeah. Also they use the curved screen. A wake up screen we can find. It's a punch hole camera, and it's a 6.78 inch display resolution, 2780 by 1264, 120 Hz refresh rate. It's a curved screen, and it's a Corning Victus 2 glass, and the narrowest bezels reach to 1.36 mm. It's the port touch rate 2500 Hz. Yeah, it's a very small punch hole, and it's a 60 nit OLED screen from GDI, 80 LTPO technology. Yeah, we can check the specification about this device, and this is the first batch of phone that use the Snapdragon 8 Plus processor. And so as we know, this is a very high performance, but it's a middle end device phone, so it's very cost effective as well. And it's a 60GB RAM plus 1TB ROM, LPDDR5X plus UFS 4.0, and also it supports GPS, Beidou as well. So this is about display resolution, and the refresh rate, as I mentioned, 120Hz 20Hz refresh rate is supported. Also the cooling vapor chamber, 10,014 cubic meters, dual speaker as well, and then NFC. And now we go to the camera to have a very simple camera test. Zoom, wide angle, front and rear camera test. And it's the Sony LYT600, a very popular sensor, 50 megapixel camera, and OIS supported to make camera f1.88 aperture, and also the 80 megapixel wide angle IMX 355. Just same like the Realme. Sorry, the OnePlus S3V have the same very similar specifications, but for the Realme GT Neo6 from the vapor chamber, and also the charging and the screen is a bit better than the OnePlus S3, yeah, 3V. So yes, this is the camera functions, and also the video. This is the two window, yeah, one is front and one is black. This is very nice design. Yeah, I really like these functions and the design, the convenient features about this device. Okay, let's take a very simple short video, and then we go back. Yes, and also I mentioned that this is a AI function. Remember the AI function phone? So yeah, I really interested and want to check the AI functions for this device. Yeah, let's go to settings and check the AI related. And before we go to the AI, yes, we can go to check the battery. It's have a dual still battery design, and 10 minute 50%, and run 25 to 30 100%, and it supports SuperVOOC S battery chips from GT Neo6, its own developed. Yes, and there are special features like the smart saying, a lot of simple mode, driving mode, quick previews, a lot of special features you can explore it. And also I want to mention is when I hold it on my hand, I can feel it not heavy actually. According to official info, it's just 191 gram and the thickness 8.65 mm. This is a split view for the screen. Yeah, as we can see now, this is very simple test for the special features. So you can, when you get the phone, you can experience more. And finally, we go to the Brino AI functions. And also according to the release conference, this time for the AI functions, you can set a shortcut for the AI function, and also you can use the magic erase. But now you need to sign up for the functions and connect. Driving mode, sorry. And also you can wake up from the voice. You can set, yeah. Brino touch. AI summarize. So it can, maybe you put and input your command, it can summarize and create a text or a document for you. Like if you want to tour guide for some cities, and you can use your voice to input, I want some cities tour guide, and then it can give you some information, and so you can use it. It's very convenient. So actually it's not so powerful, but you can try it. Yeah, it's very interesting. And last I have to mention, this gets also played well for the foreigners and Genshin Impact. And onto the score, it reached to 1.6 million. So yes, thanks for watching. This is today's main video, and let's end the video for more catch from here. And the last, you can enjoy the sample pictures and the sample videos about this device. Thanks, bye bye.